Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money with the study pool. So let's get started. First of all, we will create our account from sign up, and for this tutorial I'm going to use Google, and I'm going to pick my account. And now you have to accept this privacy policy, and then I will pick an avatar, and I will pick a username, then I will insert my university or my school or whatever. Now let's press and continue. Then let's just skip this setup and let's press done. And this is how Studypool looks like. So Studypool contains a huge amount of material. You can explore it from here, where you will find many categories. You can find categories related to business, humanities, mathematics. Every single thing has categories and has many branches, so you can explore them and you can find what you are interested in. You can search in materials and you can learn about it from Studypool. Now, how you can actually make money from Studypool? There are basically two ways, which are sell docs and become tutor. So we will try both of them now. For the first method, which is sell docs, it allows you to upload documents which will help students. And the more students view your own documents, the more money you get. You can also see here top earners. So basically, some people here actually makes huge sum of money. Here, top learner actually made $95,000 from just uploading documents, which is pretty easy, to be honest. Here you can see the type of documents that you can add. You can upload quizzes, you can upload old assignments, class notes, or multi-language content. You can also upload your document and earn up to $10 per one view, which is technically amazing. You can also upload a document and you will see here the number of documents approved to you and the number of documents declined and the number of documents pending in case you are uploading many documents. You can also check this maximize earning to see what is to be accepted as a good document or a high quality document and what is not to be accepted, so as to just upload documents that are eligible to be accepted. Here you can also see examples of good content and bad content, so you can just click on any of them to explore it from inside. This is an example of a good content, while this is an example of a bad content. As you can see, it's just scanned and it's not clear, so it's basically unacceptable. Now let's upload our first document. This is done by just dragging and drop your document. So I will just go to my device in seconds, and I will drag a document here. And I will just press on I understand and confirm. Then I will wait for it to upload and be back to you. And done. So now let's press on OK. And here in your stats, let's just press on OK again. And here in your stats, you will find that there is one document pending. So it basically takes about 48 hours to be reviewed, and you will receive an email whenever it's accepted or rejected. Now, the second way to make money with the Studypool is to go and become a tutor. Here you can also see the privileges of becoming a tutor, which are lowest service fees, reliable income, full freedom, and flexibility. So here, fees are very low, starting at 20% only. Reliable income, making good money using nothing more than your knowledge and your keyboard. Basically, you are just teaching people, you are just teaching students what you actually know and what you actually learned. And here you can also choose your own working hours. You don't have a boss who will tell you when to work and what to do. You are your own boss. Now let's press on apply now to go and become a tutor. You will have to fill an application by pressing on Start Application here. And this is a warning message which tells you that it's not accepted to copy and paste from any source like ChatGPT. You have to be the owner of your own ideas. So I will just cancel this and I will start my application now. Here it's telling you that you're applying to be a Q&A tutor at Studypool. It tells you some instructions, like if matched to a question, you are expected to provide the student with a complete explanation. You will see questions posted by students and you will need to bid to answer the question. This process will happen exclusively over chat messaging and all communications will happen solely on the Studypool platform. Once you are done reading these instructions, you can go to Acknowledge and you will be able to fill the form. So I will just insert my information and I will insert my nationality. You will need to prove nationality with a valid photo ID at a later step in this application. I will also insert my my address. Okay, and I will tell them that I heard about them on a YouTube tutorial, and I will write my education. Well, it can't find my school, so I will just walk you through the other inputs because I don't want to waste more time inputting just data. Here you will need to insert the last school you attended. Okay, I will manually insert it. And field of study, I will insert petroleum engineering. And you will need to insert academic experience. Have you ever been a school teacher? Yes. Do you have other professional affiliation with an academic institution? I will just insert yes. And here I will insert the job title, English instructor. And I will insert the school as, I will insert from when to when. And I will just press this as no, so as not to waste time. I will agree, and I will just leave work experience. Then I will press on save and continue. I guess I have to fill work experience. And I will choose from 2021. Something is missing that I need to know to be able to save. I think this is because I left the employer empty. Yeah, exactly. Now I will save and continue. And now it will ask you about the subjects you intend to tutor in. I will just choose engineering and mathematics. Now I'm gonna use the hourly rate. I will be okay with $10 per hour, and I will save and continue. Then it will ask you some short questions. What would you like to write about? I may choose engineering. Now it will ask you to write an article about a topic in engineering, and it will give you the requirements, and it will give you an announcement that if you copy it and paste it from any place like ChatGPT, will be just banned. Then here you can upload your answer. Now let's just upload any random file. I will just submit an empty file so we can continue. I understand. Now let's save and continue. Now the other short question, it will tell you questions to answer in the category. I will again choose engineering and mathematics, just one category. Now it will ask you about a specific one of these softwares that you will need to answer about them. I will just use mathematics. It will be easier. and it will ask you to answer one of these questions. So I will choose calculus, and it's actually very hard. I don't think I will be able to answer it. However, I'm just gonna pick any answer so that we can continue. I will just insert the same empty file. They are gonna probably block me because of what I'm doing now. Anyway, save and continue. Now you will need to answer a third question. So this is basically like an interview. I will choose regression, I'm sure, and I will now upload the same empty file, and I will check here, save and continue. Then the final step is that you will need to upload a photo of your own ID. So I will just upload any image I've got. Actually, it will identify if my image is not an ID. I will try to upload any other image. And if it's new, I will have to just stop from continuing. So basically, you will have now to insert your own ID, and you will just press on save and continue, and you will be all set up. So this is basically how you can set up your own application as a tutor. So it's pretty self-explanatory, and it doesn't need further continuing because you are just inserting some data and answering some questions. And this is how easy you can make money from Studypool. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.